Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to fix .exe has stopped working on Windows 11. So guys, to resolve this problem, just follow some easy steps. Click on start and type %sign temp %sign. Now press enter. Now here guys, you will see some files. Select all and delete. Select do this for all current items and skip. Some files will be not able to delete, so skip it them. Then close it and restart your laptop. And after restart, click on this search icon and type command prompt or cmd. Select run as administrator. Now here type this simple command sfc /scan now. Then hit enter. Guys, this scanning will take couple of minutes. So complete this scanning and hopefully guys after guys this problem will be resolved. And once this procedure will be complete, restart your laptop again. And hopefully after restart this .exe has stopped working problem will be fixed in Windows 11. Please comment this video work for you or not, and please share, like and subscribe this channel for more useful videos.